Question 58. You might be worried seeing a 9 marks here that this is going to be incredibly difficult, but I think it's okay if you can just take each step at its time. First thing is to read this. Inversely proportional to t cubed. So acceleration is proportional to 1 over t cubed. Or acceleration is equal to k over t cubed. In a recent video, we've seen that how to find the velocity is to integrate the acceleration. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to integrate kt to the power of minus 3 dt. Don't worry about the k there, it's just a number. But here the power goes up by 1 and we divide by the new power, and don't forget we'll put a c on the end. So I've got that the velocity is equal to k over minus 2, and I'm going to bring this t squared down to the bottom again because it's going to be more helpful, plus c there. Two pieces of information, and we're going to use them to find out what c and what k is. I'm going to go for the weird one first. As t tends to infinity, what's going to happen to this? As it keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, this whole bit here is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and so a number divided by something incredibly big is going to be close to 0. And so as t gets close to infinity, as t gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the velocity is 6, and so from that one there I can figure out that c is going to be 6. So the velocity is equal to k over minus t squared plus 6. But the other thing we're told is that at t equals 1, the velocity equals 2. So we can just put 2 equals k over minus 2 plus 6. So take away the 6, divide by the minus 2. That gives me k is equal to 8. Sorry, I said divide number at time. Take away the 6 and times by the minus 2. So I've got k is equal to 8. So we're done. Let's just write our final answer. Our final answer is that the velocity is equal to k, what did I say that was? 8 over minus 2t squared plus 6. And you know what? We might as well just tidy that up as well, mightn't we? So we've got minus 4 over t squared plus 6.